Today we're exploring the nutritional secrets of artichokes. Here's a historical fact. In medieval times, people believed artichokes could spark romance, so they forbade unmarried women from eating them. Beyond their romantic reputation, artichokes are both tasty and packed with nutrients. Stick around as we dive into the vitamins and minerals and show you how to prepare artichokes step by step. Let's begin with the health benefits. Loaded with fiber, artichokes aid digestion and are an excellent choice for managing diabetes and lowering cholesterol levels. In a 100-gram serving, they deliver 53 calories, 11 grams of carbs, 0.2 grams of fats, and 3.3 grams of proteins. Additionally, they're rich in vitamins B3, B5, and C, along with essential minerals like potassium and phosphorus. Moving on to precautions, if you have gallbladder issues, bile duct disorders, low blood pressure, or gastritis, tread carefully with artichokes. Always consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns or specific health conditions. Now let's get hands-on. How to choose a perfect artichoke. Look for firm, vibrant green ones with tightly closed leaves. Store in the fridge and consume within a week for optimal freshness. Safety first when it comes to cooking artichokes. Trim about an inch off the top, cut the stem leaving half an inch, remove outer leaves, trim the stem's tough outer layer, and be cautious of the prickly tips. When removing the choke after cooking, use a spoon to scoop it out gently. The choke contains prickly fibers that can pose a danger, so handle it with care. Artichokes, with their versatile and hearty nature, lend themselves to various cooking methods, each bringing out unique flavors and textures. One popular method is steaming, where artichokes are gently cooked over boiling water, preserving their natural taste and nutrients. Boiling is another common technique, ideal for softening the leaves and heart. Roasting imparts a delightful smokiness and enhances their nutty undertones, while grilling adds a charred, savory dimension. One delightful recipe idea is to stuff artichoke hearts with a mixture of breadcrumbs, herbs, and cheese, creating savory and indulgent appetizers. Incorporating artichokes into salads introduces a refreshing twist, complementing their tender leaves with vibrant greens and other fresh ingredients. Try adding artichokes to pasta dishes, where their distinctive taste pairs wonderfully with creamy sauces or simple olive oil and garlic. Pizza enthusiasts can experiment by using artichokes as a topping, offering a sophisticated and flavorful alternative. Artichokes are versatile, and the flavors are uncompromising. If you found this information useful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Until next time, cook smart and eat healthy.